Websites with video content can increase your organic traffic by 157%. Yes, you heard that right, 157%. I'm sure you already know how important video and moving graphics are in the online space, but this statistic just shows you how powerful visual content is for engaging your audience and driving traffic to your site. Hi there, I'm Alli, and I help entrepreneurs like you elevate your brand and online presence so that you can show up more confidently and consistently and in a way that really connects with your dream clients so that you can be making more money online, because that's the ultimate goal, right? And we can't talk about making more money online without talking about video content these days. The importance really can't be overstated. There are so many types of videos that you can use too. There's explainer videos, and there's product tutorials and demos. There's simple GIFs, testimonials, all kinds of ways you can be incorporating this kind of content into your business. Each type of video serves a unique purpose, but collectively they all play a part in making your website more interesting and engaging. And this is exactly what I did in my own recent website redesign. I included all of the types that I just mentioned. Explainer videos are short videos that break down your product or service. It's going to take a large, complex idea and really break it down into more digestible chunks. Viewers are much more likely to watch a video than to read a long product description. Also, keep in mind that when viewers see you on camera and talking directly to them, that's going to instantly build credibility and trust. Product demos will show your products in action, really highlighting the benefits and features of that product. When you visually demonstrate how your product works, people are going to understand immediately what they can expect from that product. This really helps to show your product's value and answer any doubts that people might have, and increases the likelihood that people will purchase. This works for digital products as well, like showing the inside of your course or your community, or even a resource like a downloadable PDF. Real life stories and testimonials from your previous clients are a really great way to also be building trust and credibility. When potential clients hear about the positive outcomes that other people have received when working with you, they're going to be more likely to want to do the same. Not only do testimonials provide that social proof, but they also help address any questions or concerns that people might be having, as well as show that a wide range of people find your product or your service beneficial. Quick looping videos that are called GIFs are a really fun way to add some engagement and humor and lightness inside of your website. They're a really quick way to grab your viewers' attention and highlight and showcase your personality. GIFs can also make your content shareable on social media to help increase your reach and engagement. Besides making your website more engaging, video can also help increase your search engine optimization, your SEO. Search engines love video content. It's considered high quality and relevant content, and that's why it's more likely to help you show up in the results. Plus, video will keep your users on your website longer, which signals to the search engines that your content is relevant and worthy of them to be sharing. Not only does video help with your SEO, but it's going to help brand storytelling as well, because it connects with people on a deeper level. Unlike plain text, video can help show emotion and break down complex ideas. So think about a nonprofit website. If you're seeing a testimonial on that website from the people who are receiving and benefiting from the donations being made, that is going to be so much more powerful than just reading plain text. All right, so now that you know why video is so important to include, let's dig into some practical tips to help you make it happen. Now, first, you're going to have the tools for creating and editing your videos. And this always can be a little bit stressful for people because they think they need this high-end equipment, but really you don't. You can start out with a webcam or your smartphone and just some simple lighting, or if you don't have any lighting at all, face a window so the natural light is hitting your face. Now, there's a lot of editing software available from Adobe Premiere to Final Cut Pro, but if you aren't planning on becoming a video editor, there's a lot of simple and easy to use free tools like Canva or CapCut CapCut, for example. Keep in mind that as you're creating and editing, that size does matter. Most software will help you easily get your file size down small enough for use online. Just make sure that your file sizes aren't too big because they'll slow down your site. So you'll want to be compressing them as much as possible without losing quality. Also, you want to make sure that your website isn't bogged down with large files like these video files. The best thing to do is host them on video hosting platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, and then embed them on your site from those platforms. All right, now it's time for you to take action. I want you to do this. I want you to get started with a simple explainer video or a short testimonial from a happy client. Once you get more comfortable creating videos and showing up on camera yourself, go for it. Start creating product demos and even some short fun GIFs. When you add video, you are going to see higher engagement on your site. And when you get that traffic coming in, you're going to want to make sure that your website is built to help convert those visitors into clients. And this is exactly why I've created my conversion-driven website planner. This free resource is going to help you plan your website strategically so that your viewers become buyers when they land there. Head over to dowelldesignstudio.com/plan to grab it.